we need to work on a lot of classified information and data in a secure and air-gapped environment. Gemini is a very important part of our strategy in terms of bringing agentic and AI into our air-gapped environment. My name is Chee Kin. I'm the Deputy Chief Executive of CSIT, Center for Strategic Infocomm Technologies. CSIT is a technology agency of the Ministry of Defence in Singapore. Our main mission is really to safeguard Singapore's national security. When we do this by doing two things. One, defending Singapore against cyber threats. And two, designing, building and operating secure systems for our Singapore government. Since 10 years ago, we have started our journey to build the private cloud on our own. But this is not easy. One, we are not able to have the cloud services that a commercial or cloud service provider can provide. Two, the complexity in actually running such a large private cloud. And three, the manpower and the technical talent. We started the collaboration with Google Cloud about 3 years ago to actually work on a on-prem air-gapped solutions. About 6 months ago, we have finally deployed an operational version. This particular solution is called Google Distributed Cloud Air-gapped. It is a full-stack setup, including the infra as a services, as well as some of the platform services. What we are doing next is actually to work with Google to bring in Gemini on-prem so that we can bring in the AI capabilities and the agentic capabilities onto our air-gapped setup. Agentic AI is a very important part of cybersecurity mission. It can actually help in many different areas. One, in the area of development and management of applications and agents. We need to have a platform for our developers and engineers to build agents securely. Two, the ability for agents to help us in doing proactive red teaming and pen testing. And three, in the area of creating agents for security operations, as well as in the work of threat hunting. When we started the journey with Google, we identified the strengths of Google in AI, big data, as well as security operations. And we see in the roadmap that these capabilities will be coming on board for the Google Distributed Cloud air-gapped solution. We can start small, and then we can iterate and then grow from there. That's why we selected Google. Finally, in terms of collaboration, both sides are very open and are able to work close together. With Google Cloud, CSIT is pioneering a new way to operationalize a frontier AI model for a secure air-gapped environment.